In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear brothers and sisters, today we reflect on one of the most powerful qualities in Islam, Sabr, or patience. Sabr is not just about waiting for things to get better. In Islam, Sabr means perseverance, self-control, and remaining steadfast upon the path of Allah, no matter what challenges life brings. It is an active state of the heart that connects us to Allah's wisdom and mercy. Allah reminds us in the Quran, "O you who believe, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Surah Al-Baqarah. This shows that when we hold firmly to patience, we are never alone. Allah Himself is with us. Sabr is needed in three main aspects of life. First, in obeying Allah, performing our prayers, fasting, giving zakat, even when it feels heavy or difficult. Second, in avoiding sin, resisting temptations, controlling our desires, and saying no to what Allah has forbidden. And third, in times of hardship. When we face loss, sickness, betrayal, or failure, we must remember that every test is from Allah and is an opportunity to rise in faith. Think about our daily struggles. When someone hurts you with their words, the easy response is anger, but Islam teaches us sabr, to control our tongue and trust that Allah will reward us for our restraint. When you experience a downfall in life, perhaps losing a job, failing an exam, or facing disappointment, Sabr teaches you not to fall into despair. Instead, you remind yourself that Allah is testing you, and with patience, He will open doors you never expected. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Patience is at the first strike of calamity." Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, meaning true sabr is shown not after days or weeks, but immediately when the heart is struck with pain. The Quran is full of examples of patience. Prophet Ayyub, peace be upon him, endured years of illness yet never lost hope in Allah's mercy. Prophet Yaqub, peace be upon him, when separated from his beloved son Yusuf, peace be upon him, expressed what he called Sabr Jamil, beautiful patience, a patience that carries no complaint against Allah, only trust. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the best of creation, faced poverty, persecution, and the loss of his loved ones. Yet he always remained patient and turned back to Allah. Allah promises an immense reward for those who are patient. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Surah Az-Zumar. This means their reward is beyond measure. Only Allah knows the greatness of it. So, how do we build sabr in our daily lives? We begin with prayer and remembrance of Allah, because the heart that remembers Allah can endure any storm. We practice self-control, holding back anger, avoiding haste, and remembering that every hardship is temporary. And we remind ourselves constantly that this world is not our final home. Jannah is the true destination, and it is reserved for those who are patient. My dear brothers and sisters, sabr is not weakness. It is strength. It is the shield of the believer and the key to peace in this life and the next. Every time you face hurt, disappointment, or loss, turn to Allah with patience and trust in His decree. Because with every trial, there is a hidden wisdom, and with every hardship, there is ease. May Allah make us among the patient and reward us without measure. Ameen. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever guides someone to goodness will have a reward like one who did it." Muslim. Sharing beneficial knowledge and reminders about the Akira is a beautiful sunnah. If this message touched your heart, consider sharing it with your family, friends, and community, so they too may find peace and return to Allah.